We hadn't had the sun in 10 days. So I'd make a video about how we never seen the sun. And yesterday I demanded that the sun come back or we'd leave the EU. And today, I don't know if you noticed, the sun is back. I sorted it out for everyone.
Follow me, I'm delicious. Not me, but Garron Noone, who is delicious enough to have amassed 1.7 million followers on both Instagram and TikTok. Where did the I'm delicious thing come from?
So I made a commitment when the TikTok thing started going well, that people started watching it, that I said, right, I'm just going to post a video every day. So then if I don't feel creative, I won't get into a rut because I'll be posting every day. So I posted every day, and some days the videos were terrible, like no substance. There was one where I was reviewing a sausage roll. It was completely unfunny, uninteresting. So I said, I'm just going to say something really random at the end of the video. So I went, follow me, I'm delicious. And people just responded to it. So every video after that, people were like, why didn't you say follow me, I'm delicious at the end? So they kind of.
So that's how it was born. Have you any affection for Barry's versus Lions?
Oh, Barry's. I'm sorry. Lions. So I had a bit of a fallout with Lions about a year ago, where, do you remember they changed from the pyramid tea bag back to the square tea bag? Yeah. But do you remember the ad campaign they did like 10 years ago where they were telling us the pyramid tea bag was the future? They showed it spinning around. The tea distribution is so much better. I was outraged that they'd lied to me, so there's no trust there anymore, so it's strictly Barry's.
I'm your biggest fan. That's from Leslie. Imagine Stevie knows you, loves you, and you are delicious. And she does, doesn't she, Stevie Nicks?
She gave me a shout out in 3 Arena, which I couldn't believe. She was like, I love his videos, Mr. I'm Delicious. I was like, Stevie Nicks has sat down and watched me shout at a cup of tea. What a time to be alive.
You've made it.